Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will share with you about a new brilliant project named as Smoozy. I will share all the details about Smoozy Fun. It is a viral Web3 campaign that turns your creativity into crypto reward. User can snap a drink selfie or a post a dance video and earn $SMG token based on their views. You can see, and it is so easy. You can easily be able to be a part of their airdrop, which is live. I will share all the details here, but before that, if you are new on my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon to also you will get a notification of my new videos in the future. So without wasting your time, I will start review of this Smoozy SMG project, which is Smoozy. It is a best meme token. Do your own research before investing in any kind of project. I am sharing my details. It is not a financial advice. It is an educational video. So you can see here cult is given here. You can see a cult, a club, a community, Smoozy, and they have the SMG airdrop which is live here. You can see you can get SMG token based on views or virality. It is an easy fun way to engage with the crypto world without any investment. The promo should showcase how to enter the details, and you can see all details will be given. Post a photo or a dance with a drink as your Smoozy and earn free SMG token. The more the views you get, the more you will be able to get all that. The main difference from 100 of faceless meme coin is that Smoozy is built around a real iconic and viral figure. So you can follow these steps and join. First of all, you have to follow their social media. You have to show your Smoozy drink. Use all 8 hashtags which is given here. I will give these hashtags in my video description too. Tag you can see at the rate of Smoozy or their mention to friends and get at least 500 views or 100 likes here. Submit here and soon you will get that. Smoozy reward explains here they have given 500 plus views or 100 plus likes is equal to 500 to 800 SMG tokens, and more engagement is equal to 1000 to 5000, and the viral content up to 10,000. Creative funny meme is equal to bonus token. You can claim that here soon. So what is Smoozy? So the main difference from 100 of faceless meme coin is that Smoozy is built around a real iconic and a viral figure. Smoozy is cult that existed long before the token itself. Now its financial finally has formed. Their contact address is given, and you can go to exchange and add that, and you can see you can buy Smoozy from here. You can verify that. I will share these links here further so that you can get know more about it. You can even though go and join them on their Twitter, Telegram, their Instagram and TikTok too. The tokenomics is given. You can see how much million total supply is given. From that supply, 80% is for the liquidity which is locked for a year, and 10% is for their team which is locked also for a year. 10% is for the airdrop and marketing and partnership. I recommend you to be a join their contract address is given. Their name is Smoozy and their symbol is SMG. This is the drink of SMG. Show that in the picture and you can be a part of the airdrop and complete all the rules. So inside FX experience is earned by completing missions that spread the meme and grow community. FX is given for inviting new members, and resources can exchange for prizes and Smoozy after listing, and their value and idea are every Smoozy holder automatically become a member of Fox Club, which is the club of Smoozy, and they have the 1% of every transaction go to the treasury so that you can also get that amount. How to buy? So now here I will share with you that how you can buy it. For that you have to go to the Solana wallet, download Solana compatible wallet, and which is a phantom, save your recovery phrase. After that you have to add Sol to your wallet, and you have to visit Jupiter DEX, and you have to go to the link which is given swap Sol for Smoothie. Here the details is given. So further I want to share with you that you can see it here. You can buy with that from Jupiter. Add that address from here which is given here. You can copy that address from here. After copy the address, you have to go to the Jupiter. You can add, you can see it here, the price about that here. So you give the address, you can go for that. You can see you can get it from USDC or any thing you want like USDT. You can go and buy it with 100 USDT, and you can get such amount of dollar SMG from here, and you can connect the wallet and you can get it. You can see a $1 you will get 28,897 SMG. So you can see that you can see the Smoozy here on SolScan. It is here given, so it is safe and secure. Do your own research before investing on these. Here their Twitter link is given, so must go and join them on the social media so that you can easily be able to be a part of their team. The more you be in the team, the more you will be able to know about how they are rewarding their community, and you can be a part of it. So I share all the details, and if you like the video, give thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.